It's back. A lot of rain up in the Jemez. Woo, I gotta watch where I'm going. We're gonna go down here. Don't do this at home. Yeah, this is a flash flood. I just want you to hear, probably won't do it now. You can hear the rocks rolling through here. It's not gonna do it now. Look how wide it is. Hear that? That point, point, point. That's rocks rolling over there. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Right there, might be building up right there because there's a big dipper there. See, I was thinking about yesterday, right through here, because I have this tire wall that's pretty much gone. I was going to do another one right here to make sure this deflects that way. But there's so many roots from the major flood we had in 24 that I can't dig down now. So we have blue skies that way. And then we'll walk down to the end of the road. I got stuff that needs to be put away, but that's all right, I can wait. I'll be back.